What is up YouTube, and welcome to a quick tutorial to tell you how to open an account with Investex.com. A link to this landing page will be included in the comments below. Simply choose an email address and a password and click apply now. You'll then be redirected to your dashboard, and this is where everything that's important really happens. So you can begin by registering your name and date of birth, address, country, city and postcode. And of course, for the demo purposes of this video, we'll simply just add some generic information very quickly. Next, we'll have a look at how to top up your trading account wallet. Now, this is the amount which will be added to your trading account. Just add your mobile phone number so that we can send you a verification code, and of course your standard card entry digits, which will include your number, your name, your expiry date, and the CVC security code. One thing which is important is to get your confirmation code, which will be sent to you by SMS, and you can add that number into your security confirmation area, and you can then complete the deposit. Next, we'll take a look at the auto charters service. Now, it's quite simple at the beginning. Just choose your region on the map by selecting it on the globe and add an email address, and you can then tick the boxes to your own preference. Auto charters is a very important software which comes free with all Investex trading accounts. Now, on the tabs here at the top, you'll see trading opportunities, volatility analysis, performance statistics, messaging and alerts, and of course trading community. You can also access currency pairs and any commodity or indice that you would like to trade with. Now, this software can indeed give you your MACD, your moving averages, your support and resistance lines, and it can give you all of the information which you need to gather to assess when to add your stop loss and when to take profit. Next up, we'll take a look at the left-hand column, which will be partnerships. This is where you can work with Investex. You will have to please read this information and agree to the terms and conditions, and you'll then be working as a partner with Investex. On this dashboard section, you can indeed find out how much money you've made with the company, your direct referral link, and a code, an HTML code for a banner, which will link to your profile that you can use to monetize your traffic. Without further ado, let's review the software facilities available for you to actually begin trading. You have MetaTrader 4 Desktop, MetaTrader 4 Mobile, and of course Investex Web Trader. For demonstration purposes, let's install the MT4 Desktop version. Once the file is saved and downloaded, you can then install the program. You'll then be presented with this screen where you can choose the account type that you would like to operate. And of course, it's very important to note that your login and password for MT4 will be sent separately to your registered email address. Now, this is a separate for security. This is a separate login and password, which is not the same as your Investex.com profile settings. These are MT4 login credentials. Please keep them separate and in a safe place. Once again, you'll have to register for the software, and what we will do here is quickly enter some generic information: name, country, address, phone number, and then choose your account type, currency, leverage, deposit, and if you would like to subscribe to the newsletter. Fantastic. Once this is all done, you now have access to MT4 Desktop version. What we'll do here quickly is just take you through a demonstration on how to use the software. It's a very quick overview of some of the primary features that you'll use to trade. Now, you can choose on the left-hand side, you can double-click on a preferred currency pair, and you can then drag it into any of the screens, and you can view the activity of that currency pair live. If you double-click on any of the other ones on the left-hand side, you can then get your trading options. You can buy, sell, take profit, and set your stop loss. And before we go, we'll quickly just show you how to go from this demo account over to your live trading account with Investex. You will of course have to use the separate credentials which were emailed to you and you can then begin trading in real live currencies.